Bro, EF4 is still strong. EF4 is still strong.
I'm still gonna chase it though.
Wala na ba dyan?
But it's still big.
Never,
Even it's small, it still can kill you.
it's still 10 kilograms.
Wala na ba dyan?
I don't know if I'm going to the way that I see the EF4 na. I see the EF4. I'm literally chasing it right now. I'm literally chasing the EF4 right now.
Bro, do you want to play another game? Do you want to play another game?
Yeah?
Okay, join me, join.
I want ability arena again, baby.
No. Guess it. Guess it. Guess it.
What? 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 Split or steal? Is it gonna be a monkey game, bro?
I don't know. Wait. Just wait.
If it's sus, I'm gonna block you. If it's sus,
Wait, just wait.
or it's
Wait, just wait.
cursed.
Wait. Okay. Oh, you can join now. I don't know. Say it if you cannot join it.
Wait, I'm gonna refresh. Many tornadoes too.
It's always tornadoes.
I want ability arena.
Plane. I don't know if tornado attack is free. I think it's not free.
What is this? You just got me here for nothing.
Okay, bro. Bro, just pick your car. It's free. Pick your car. It's
How to
free.
pick the car?
Just pick a car.
I equipped it.
Okay, now press and click it. Did you become a car?
Yeah.
Oh, let's wait for a tornado. Look, a tornado, a storm. Look at it, it's a storm.
Oh my, deploy this guy.
Bro, just go to the tornado. It will be
Doon ka na
weak,
sa
I
taas,
promise.
mag-sleep
It
ka
will
na
be
doon.
weak.
Okay?
It's gonna be weak. Look, it's gonna spawn a tornado.
I'm gonna go to the tornado right now, bro.
Okay, the tornado has touched down. The tornado has touched down.
Why is it 9 a.m.?
Tornado has touched down.
Okay. Okay, wait.
Oh my god.
Saan ka pupunta?
Wait.
That
Baby, monitor ka
Isang.
lang na dito.
Wait.
Taas mo dito sa taas.
Wait. I'm gonna do something. Gusto ko dyan.
Wala na, naka-close na to.
bro,
Okay.
multi-vortex. It's a multi-vortex.
It's a multi-vortex. I'm still gonna do it. I'm still gonna go in, bro.
Bro, it's a multi-vortex. Vortex. Oh my god, it's tornado. A big tornado. I'm gonna go. What is it called again? Intercept.
I'm gonna go to the tornado right now.
Ano, doon na yung bedroom mo? Ha?
This is an WS scan. It's not a multi-vortex. It's an NWS scan.
No! The star means it's 1 2 hours. You got flight?
Yes.
Oh my god. It's big. It's big. Oh my god. I got it.
Are you still good, my boy?
Bro, the city is cooked. It's gonna. Bro, the city is cooked. not gonna lie, it's cooked. Look at it. It's heading for the city.
Ah, nah, man.
But it's gonna hit a little bit. It's gonna hit there a little bit.
Wrong. Stop me.
I hope it missed. I hope it missed. I hope it missed. I hope it missed. Oh, RIP to that house. RIP.
Putol.
Bro, I hope it doesn't go to this beautiful city that has a mansion on it.
Oh, yo.
I hope it doesn't do that.
Bro, I hope it doesn't have twins. Twin tornadoes.
Yeah, like the EF5.
Okay.
Wait, I see you, bro, I see you.
I'm gonna deploy. I'm gonna check the radar. Where are you? Are you heading for me?
I'm heading for the NWS scan, and I'm gonna deploy.
No, it's not NW scan. It's the miles per hour. Okay, bro, I'm gonna intercept it.
Wala namang phone.
Hindi, idala nyo to. Si Papa, igaganto. At Yes.
Oh my god, the tornado is weak. The tornado is weak.
Wait, I see you.
Bro, the tornado is now weak. Look at its trail. Look at its trail.
Oh yeah.
RIP to those house.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Let's see if another tornado spawns.
Don't be the most crazy tornado in the world. Like the EF5 or the Omega Wedge. May bagong tornado na super duper malakas.
Caleb, did you know if it's gonna be night, the tornado will be stronger?
Na mas big pa sa skyscraper at double skyscraper.
Bro.
Ano? Omega Wedge.
What you need to say?
Bro. Ow! Are we still recording? No. Wait. Yes. Okay.
Bro, let's wait for a storm. Let's go to this city.
Hey, let's go.
Let's chill on the city. Bro, check out my deploy.
By the way, the car is bigger than the house.
Oh yeah, it's almost big.
Yeah. I don't know why did they make this. It needs to be like smaller, like a size of an ant.
Bro, the car cannot even fit to the garage. Look, it's too big.
Yeah. Why did they even make this, bro? I see it.
Okay.
Stop.
Let's wait for a
Tubi! May tutubi ba dito?
I wanna be a twinkle star. How roti kalabaw na batuting meow. Did you hear that? Money. Bro, let's go to the, what is it called again? Public server, because you cannot gain, what is it called again? Gain powers. So let's go. Let's go to the public servers.
Private servers, bruh.
Public servers, I say.
You said ding dong servers and I just got ads.
Let's go. I am
Papa, nagpapasounds ako sa cellphone ko. Bros, brain rotted!
Bro, I just said that you got mad. You get points if you're in public. You get points if you're in public. Oh my god, that copy of Wedge. Wedge.
Where's the Mega Wedge?
No, the server is not even boosted here. It's a mirage. Show hide scan.
Oo na, it's gonna be a Omega Wedge. Bibilang ang iyong hakbang. Kay pinagdaan. Oras sa paligid kang pati ng manday. Tumitigil habang ako'y nas.
Bro, what car are you?
The regular car.
Bro, I cannot even see you. My head
Yun
is
lang between
I am the Titos. Oh, I see you.
sa'yo.
Are you this one? Are you this one?
No, I'm like on the I'm on the like thing. You know what bro, I'm on the roads like
Bro, I'm
Like
gonna
here.
check on radar. I'm gonna go. What people are there?
just here.
Bro, my game just crashed. My game crashed.
You're not.
I'm rejoining.
Oh yeah. Halika't sumayo sa ilalim ng bituin habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo. Wala na pong ibang mahihiling. Saksi ang langit sa atin.
Bro,
Oh,
but in Roblox, I got
oh,
Johnny.
oh.
Bro, can you join me, please? Bro, join me.
Saksi ang langit sa atin. I'm gonna... Yeah, I hear you.
Bro, join me, I got banned from that game.
Bro, can you look at this, please?
What?
Can you see?
Nah.
Look!
What are you doing? I'm just asking.
Look! Look, few details! You're actually so blind. You're the blindness, but I know. Look! Can you see that?
Yeah?
Look, I need to unlock it. You're actually the blindness, but
Bro, just join me.
I cannot look! Oh my god, bro.
Why is it?
I need to unlock it. Are you... Oh my god, bro. Are you blind? You have glasses on, by the way.
Because my camera is off. Oh my god, it's Captain Clark from Squid
Bro.
Game. What?
Oh my god, bro.
Wait lang, ako na.
You're actually blind, bro. Can you look at
I'm
that?
gonna join another one. You should join this.
But, bro. god, bro.
You should join this. No. I mean, you should join this. No. You should join this. No, argument. No.
Ability Arena.
You should join Ability Arena.
Then let's play Ability Arena then. Oh my god.
Yes, let's play it.
Wait, I forgot to join a private server.
Yung natanda mo pa ito mga classmates mo.
Bro, I have a doll on my money chica. Wait, I'm gonna get it. Oh my god, it's so ugly.
Namatan ko na sa'yo.
I am Michael
Hindi mo na sila
Jackson.
kilala.
Yes. Join me.
Okay, bro, I'm gonna join you. I'm just waiting.
Why? Ascending.
Did you already join?
I join now. Diba 2 years ago yun? Or 1 year ago lang?
Ang pogi
By the
naman.
way,
I'm the luckiest lobster. Like actually, how did I know I'm gonna join a noob? Oh, you're the luckiest.
Amazora.
Wait, let's do our trap.
Ano mo, Amazora.
Let's do our trap, bro.
Babe.
Let's do our trap. Let's actually do our trap, bro. Let's do our trap. Let's actually do our trap.
bro, let's go run. Let's go run.
Run.
Ah!
Ah! Oh yes! W man! Bruce him, baby! Bruce him!
Let's go. It worked.
It didn't.
Hey, yo!
Bro!
Ito man.
I did the trap! I did the trap so perfect, like actually.
Kaylee? Ano yung house?
Ito, sino kilala mo dito?
Bro, I think bro left or I did.
Si Dexter.
Si Dexter. Wala na akong alam dyan. Wala na akong alam dyan. Yo, what the heck are you doing?
Bro, money!
Yeah, I did the trap again. How am I doing this? How am I doing this right now? Yeah. Okay. You should play this game. It's Ability Arena.
Bro.
What?
I was just AFK. What did you do to the trap?
When the person go here, when the person did go here, when he was gonna fall, I retro jump and I fireball him.
Babe.
No, he did it to me. He did it to me. did it to me. He did it to me, man. He did it to me, man. He did it to me. Man, he did it to me. I'm gonna get revenge.
I'm running away. I'm running away. Leave.
Bye-bye. Ha! Kaboom ka ba? Kaboom ka ba? Ginawa ko na yung ano. Halika. Halika, mag-spaspan na siya. Mag-spaspan na siya.
Low health mo ako. Low health. Low health mo ako. Low health. Ow!
Halika dito.
Skinny Jinx. Punch me? Okay. I'm gonna bait him to my trap. Make me low health. I will stay. Stop. Stop.
There.
Oh no, I'm about to die. Oh! I'm gonna jump.
Oh my! No way you did that.
Bro, he has superpowers. Right now, he has superpowers.
Are you blind as bat?
I just do a combo.
Did you just did a combo?
I did a combo.
You did a combo,
You
bro.
need to. I will show you the combo. Oh, you just stand
The
there.
retro, the attack and
Stand here. I have a combo. I said stand there, not here. Stand there. Wait, I'm gonna do it. Stand here.
bro, you just wasted my retro jump, bro.
Hey, look, jump, uppercut immediately like that.
Oh, bro, W combo.
Bro, I acted. Wait, ulit. I did it.
You just killed our teammates.
Bro, I failed. Wait, I was wrong. Let's do it again. Bro, the guy is back. He's there. Go.
I'm gonna do the uppercut
Let's try
so I
again.
can be
Again.
faster.
Stand here. Stand here.
Wait,
Stand here.
I'm gonna do it to you. Let me practice it.
No, wait. Stand here. I just did it wrong.
Like that?
Oh, like that.
Like that?
Correct.
That. Wait, stand here again. Let me do it again.
You did it wrong. It's supposed to be uppercut. Okay? Wait, you first. I'm gonna do it. Like this, oh. You're gonna punch immediately like that.
I just did it to bombardero krokodilo.
Bro, you just said a brain word.
Oh,
Wala na ba dyan, love?
I did it to
Let's try again. Be here.
Lagay.
Here.
Guy,
Please be here. Bro, be here.
Ano to na? Hindi mo naman ginamit.
3 points, baby, yes! Uppercut with jump?
Oh, uppercut at jump. Kung gusto mo yung iba. Mali, jump, retro jump, and attack kung gusto mo yan. Pero kung gusto mo yung sa akin, retro jump at uppercut, maganda yung...
Yeah, I did it the retro jump. I did the retro jump.
I think bro left. Or I think not.
Not yet. Bro, I thought stunned.
Bro, stop killing me for a sec. Stop.
Okay.
Literally stuck.
Bro! Bro, what? Bro, what? What?
Bro, I died because of you.
What? Galing mo! Galing mo, galing mo, galing mo, galing mo, galing mo. Gonna take revenge. Uh, uh, uh. Yaw sa ilalim ng bituin. What? Nag-retro jump ako. Walang alam tong game na to.
Isa.
I will give you a chance. I'll give you a chance.
I'm gonna block you one more time. I'm gonna block you.
Sige, nag-away na kayo.
My God, bro.
Bro, you keep killing me, so I killed you.
Bro, listen.
Oh, ba't na umiiyak na? Why are you crying na?
Bro. Bro, I'm by myself. You, I'm by myself. Lol. I'm by myself. Let's see if someone joins. What the fuck?
I said, no.
I just found a glitch earlier. When I was punching, it made it fast.
Shut your mouth.
I found a glitch.
Sige, ako na lang sa ko. Pagka na lang yung call niyo.
Oh, I did it!
Nag-away naman kayo, love.
I found a glitch!
Hindi ka ngayon
I
na-away ni
found a
Kyrie
glitch.
eh.
Look at me, look at me. Wait for it, wait for it. I will keep punching. Wait, wait. Oh, see? Do you see it? I punched fast. I punched fast. Oh my god. I just found a bug.
Now I can see it.
Just keep punching, you will do the glitch.
I did it. It's like a double, it's like a double attack, right?
No, it's a super punch. Like, super punch. It's so
I did the super punch.
Yeah.
That's why I flung so. That's why when I was not telling you, I flung so far away. They were doing the glitch.
Wait, I'm gonna...
Super baby.
Wait. I'm gonna do it.
Bro,
What? How did I do that?
I did that too, bro. I actually did that too. That was, bro. I'm like gonna do that later on a public server.
Oh, you did it.
Wait. I said there's
Nako.
like something in my thing. There's like something on my hand. Okay.
You look like a girl.
They're ready. So, oh! Oh! I did it! I did it!
I thought I fall. That's why I retro jump. Oh, my drops is donut.
Bro, just smaller than a map, okay?
Bato, sinisisi mo na naman. Kayo, meron.
Mams ba yun?
Punch.
Punch, 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 punch. I'm gonna do it. No, bro did it. Bro did it.
Oy, tara, Kelly, magkakambo ako sa combo. Make a combo.
Walang
Okay,
yung mga
punch.
doon.
And what else? Punch? Okay.
Oh, I did it. I did it again.
Bro, make a combo. Since you make a combo, me.
I'm gonna make a combo. Wait. Someone joined.
Someone joined. Let's go.
Wait, let's do the punch strat.
Yeah. Oh my god. Bro. I'm gonna run. Hey. Bro, he has Homelander.
It's like so fast, not even trolling. Oh, bro, the super punch is crazy. The super punch is crazy. It's like one hit.
Like this. Okay. I'ma hide. Bro, hide.
I'm hiding right now. No! What?
Bro, this trap is too OP.
Yeah, that it's literally pranking me.
Okay. Oh, let's make space.
Oh my God.
Bro, let's do it in public. Servers.
The super punch.
Yeah.
The ding dong punch got it. The ding dong punch got it.
I will find a server.
The furry guardians.
Okay.
You find it?
This
Strategy. What? Halika, sumayaw sa ilalim ng...
Never mind.
What?
Never mind.
Are they good?
Yeah, they're not good. Only one rock, guys.
Only one rock, boys? No. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought 2 rock boys, bro. That's crazy. I'm gonna do the thing right now. I'm gonna do the strat. Do the strat! Bro, the strat is not working on public servers.
Bro, just beat someone. And retro jump
So-
and attack. That's called the super punch.
I'm not gonna join. Get done
Join
there.
me. You didn't join me.
I'll join you.
Ay, sorry. Kala ko hindi ka nag-join.
Bakit ba? Oh, wala ka bang alam? Galing. Huwag ka Ika'y pinagmamasdan. Bilang ang iyong hakbang.
Bro, let's go, let's go.
Masdan.
I'm gonna beat someone.
Sayangin ang oh! Pilin. Ibigay lahat. Y'all guys didn't saw anything.
Bro, make me on one health. Make me on one health. One health. Once, I'll make me one health. Oh, wait, someone's joining. Bro, did you kill me? Bro, I said make me one health, not kill me.
Oh. I thought kill you.
Bro, just tragedy that. Once,
Mhm. Oh. What? Lim ng between. Brown! Oh! Ang galing ni siyang langit. Saksi ang langit sa atin. Saksi ang langit sa atin. Ginagawa ko yung traps kay Prep. Ha! Prep, babe! Oh! Ah!
I need this. Thank you, 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 thank you.
Bye-bye, Prep! Ah! Prep. Oh.
No, it's not biryani. That's cat food.
Go! Tired up?
Hey guys, I'm gonna film a video about somebody who like game or what, nothing else.
No! We both fell. We both fell out of the wall. Why did we?
Bro, I see. Bro, let's just team, don't punch me. Let's team. Let's team,
Oh my
let's team, not punch me.
I did punch you. It's the little jump spot. Bro! Bro! I'm gonna break my leg out. Bro!
Bro, don't punch me, okay ah? Don't punch me. Bro, let's bait muna. Let's bait someone.
Okay.
Let's bait someone. Run.
Run! Uppercut so we can be fast! Oh. Yeah! Little jump! Kaboom! Kaboom! Yes!
I'm proud of him. I'm proud.
Wait, I'm just gonna go AFK. Wait for a second.
Bro, I'm gonna bait someone. Reno.
Okay, I'm back. Did I survive? Oh. What? Did you beat someone? Wait, someone's coming. Enrique! Ay, napil na.
Enrique! Oh my God, run!
Enrique, bro! Chill out, please. Please chill out.
Wait, no. Let's beat someone.
Promise.
Click here.
Oh, someone is following. Someone's following up.
Where?
It's like the orange guy. Did you die? Bro died. Like for sure. Like actually for sure. Bro, chill out. Chill your hecking out.
Okay, bro.
Huwag ka munang magsalita. Di ko hayaan.
Enrique!
Enrique, bro! I know that was like our rival's YouTuber, okay? Retro Fireball. Ha, paano ko yun na-miss? Walang alam tong game na...